Hello everyone. In this video, we will be discussing about features of management. This is a continuation of the module 1 previous topic, that is the scope or the levels of the functions of the management. So, when we speak about features of management, what and all will come under this? What and all will come under this? So, where the very first one is organized activities, second one is the existence of objectives, third one is the relationship among resources, fourth one is working with and through people, and last one is the decision making. These are all the various features of management. We'll see one by one, and we'll try to understand to the maximum about all the features. First, management and administration. We know that management is different, administration is different. So, if you want to compare management and administration, first we should be able to define what is a management and what is a administration. So, already in the previous videos, we clearly had discussions about management definition, and even we discussed management as a art point of view, science point of view, and even the nature point of view, and even administration we have to define now. So then when it is possible for us to compare whether the management is greater than administration or administration is above. So here the second point you can able to see, administration is part of management. Even though it is a part of management, people are telling that administration is a little more greater than the management. Why? We'll see. Because some people claim that management and administration are same, but correctly speaking, administration is rather more superior to the management. How? We'll see. So here I'm going with the the statement that is administration is above the management. How I am strongly telling that administration is above the management means, administration is the face of a business enterprise that concerns itself with the overall determination of institutional objectives and the policies necessaries to be followed in achieving those objectives. Here you can able to see that where the all the business enterprises face this administration, basically we call that, and even it mainly concerned about the overall determination. It means it not only looks at the profit, it not only looks at the employees benefits or problems. It concerns overall institutional objectives, starting from lower level to the higher level. And management, on the other hand, you can able to see it is an executive function. It means already one aim or the goal has been framed. Accordingly, everyone, like a manager, will be leading everyone to to reach that particular goal. So, which is primarily concerned with carrying out the broad policies laid down by the administration. So, administration is one which exactly defines the goal or the aim of the organization. Management is the one which implements it. Administration, even we can call it is a part of management. Why and how? Because management is a generic name for the total process of executive control in industry or commerce. And basically, it is a social process which entailing responsibility for the executive and the economic planning and also regulation of the operation of an enterprise in the fulfillment of a given purpose or task. Administration is that part of management which is concerned with the installation and carrying out the procedures by which it is laid down and communicated, and the process of activities regulated and checked against plan. So all these three major things is the evidence that we can strongly say that administration is also a part of management. Now, this is a very important thing, because this particular difference only decides. That is the basic difference between administration and management. And of course, I have considered as much as possible the factors or the reasons we can call it as, and with respect to these factors, I will be differentiating administration and the management. So first let me start comparing administration with the management from the nature of work point of view. If you see, the administration, it is primary concern with the determination of objectives and policies, and it is a thinking function. As I told you, administration is one which frames or which designs the goal. Maybe for the 1 year, next 1 year, or next 5 years, or next 10 years, or next 25 years, the goals and decisions where objective is framed. But moving to the management, it is that use the implementation plans and policies doing function. If it is a 1 year plan or 1 year goal, or 2 year plan, 2 year goal means management is something which tries to implement that one. Then moving to the next factor, that is scope, where administration takes a major decision. In case of the management, it takes a decision, but within the framework of the administration. You can able to, because it has its own limitations and boundaries. Management cannot, move out of the box, particularly in the scope of the major decisions. Then moving to the next one, level of authority. We know that because already we had discussions on the very two concept, that is the nature and the scope, where we got to know that of course administration is the top level function, and comparatively management is the lower level function. And moving to the influence. So influence, if you see this, the management decisions are influenced by external factors such as social and political labor. uh, how exactly we can able to understand this external factors, in the sense, maybe, I own a company, like I'm the administrator, where I'm trying to frame a goal that I'll be investing some 1 crore of money, and my aim is to get 2 crores within a period of 6 months. So I frame a goal, and even the same thing I'll be conveying to my manager, and manager will be conveying the same to the team which he takes care. If that is the case, maybe after completing 2 or 3 months, there may be some strong social and political conditions, maybe the change of government, or the change of economic demands, like the people, alternative choices, and all those things. So this is highly influenced. Maybe the management is not focusing much on these parameters, but administration is one which really needs to take care of all these things. And coming to the management, they mostly influenced by internal factors such as values, beliefs, and opinions. It is very clear that it clearly shows that this influence is limited within a certain boundaries. And it cannot move out from that one, because the goal was very clearly framed by the management and administration, and management have to follow the rules and regulation within their maximum boundaries. And moving to the nature of organization, where in case of the administration, it is used in relation to the good military, educational, and fuliginous organizations. So, good military means maybe it may be police department, or it may be like army, navy, like anything. It is we call it as a in general it's a good military, and the education and the fuligation organization also it is applicable. But moving to the management, it is making in business forms. Ultimately, their aim is to make the business done. So that is why we call it as administration is superior than management. And finally, the status. Administration, it consists of owners of an enterprises, where the management, it consists of only the managers, the personnel with the specialized knowledge, who may be the employees. That's all. Thank you.